Alright, figured I'd make this video and take you guys along with me on a day at work as an aircraft mechanic. Since we don't have a wing sitting in the jig right now, we're going to go ahead and get this fuselage prepped. I'm going to start out by opening up all these cannon plug feed-through holes. Alright, now we're going to take this little burnishing tool and hit these real quick. That's what you want it to look like. Alright, now that we've got these burnished, I'm going to wipe them clean with some acetone and then hit them with some Aladine, and that prevents corrosion. Now that we got that out of the way, we can move on to trimming the spar box. As you can see, all I've done is make some measurements, and now I'm able to go ahead and trim it. Alright, went ahead and rounded the edges, pretty happy with that, and like I said, this mark was just a reference point for me not to trim past. Now we're going to go ahead and trim this skin, that way the spar can slide through here nicely without binding up. Okay, we got the foreskin all trimmed to my liking here, and now we're going to go ahead and install the rudder pedal assembly. First step is to remove the bleed air cable here. Now that I've got the bleed air loose, I'm just going to go ahead and tuck it in the floor like so. Here is the rudder pedal assembly that I mentioned before. Well, okay, just got the word from my boss that we are to stop all work and go ahead and do a toolbox audit. That's basically where we just put everything in the toolbox and account for all our tools. And it's looking like it's gonna take me the rest of the day, so we'll catch you guys on the next one.